गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने। बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, बोलो सब हनुमानों की जय। रुक नहीं सकते, कूदते रहेंगे यहाँ से वहाँ। So, how many of you understand Hindi? Little bit?
A little bit of sentences, but a lot of words.
I know. How many of you don't understand English? Hands up. Out here, all the adults. How many of you don't understand English? Oh, good. So I can keep flitting. Be careful. Don't come close to my table. Otherwise, my leg is under it. You'll get a kick. Now be careful, beta. Okay. So today, I think how many? 3 times I am coming? 2 times? 3 times. So we'll see what today. I was told that there are kids going to come. बच्चे आने वाले हैं, समझ आया? बच्चे आने वाले हैं, आया. Okay. So kids are coming. तो स्वामी जी ज़्यादा हैवी मत बताना, आप तो हमें सुला देते हो, बच्चों को जागा रखना है. We have to keep them awake. So let's see. Today what did you do when you came to the temple? Hey guys, if you want to talk, you go to the back. Okay? Only she is allowed to talk. And there is one more at the back. She is also allowed to talk. Samriddhi, I remember the name. Only these 2 are allowed to talk. Others, mouthshut.com. Okay. So when you came to the temple, what did you do today?
We did puja.
Oh, you did puja. Okay. What does puja mean?
You were blessing to God.
Oh, you are blessing God, not looking for blessing from God. Dhanya ho. Anyone here? Why did you do the puja? Come on, quickly. Tell me. Otherwise, I'll go one by one. Otherwise, say it quickly. Why did you do the puja?
Because it's Ram Navami?
Because it's Ram Navami. You know, when I was asked the question when I was your age, I said because my parents forced me to do it. So why did you say so? Are you afraid of anyone here? I am asking the question. I don't have a stick. So, true or not? Sometimes it is like that. So, when the whole, this question goes to all the adults also. You do, आप लोग पूजा करते हो घर में, कभी कभी दिया लगाते हो, शंख बजा देते हो, रामायण is like there in your temple. Or you take the Ramayana and you go and then you put it down as if all your headaches have been taken by Ramayana. Only you get a headache afterwards. Isn't it? If you hit the Ramayana on your head, what will you get? Headache? You don't get blessings. True? So all the adults also, when you do puja at home, are you doing just as a default? Just because someone taught you, because you feel it is the right thing? Is there a feeling for the Lord when you are doing the puja? Do you feel that the statue there which is representing Ram, or photograph which is representing Ram, that Ram has entered into your heart? Does your heart flutter in love? Who is in love here? No, man, you are backwards. He's lying. He's saying he's lying. He dubbed him in. Once I asked kids like this, are you in love? All of them said, no. One boy said, yes, I'm in love. Straight away, I am in love. I said, yes. Yeah. Okay, wait. So I said, who are you in love with? He said, I am in love with myself. See, whenever I say something, you say, that is true, but you are not able to say it. Point to be noted. You are in the court of Lord Ram. Point to be noted. Is everyone in love with themselves? No? Haan na? See, even the adults are not sure whether they are in love with themselves or not. Are you in love with yourselves or not? अभी थोड़ी सी आवाज आई है. अभी मेरे ख्याल से मेरे को हनुमान जी को भेजना पड़ेगा गधे के साथ. Everyone will say, yes, we are in love with ourselves. Okay. So, हम पूजा करते हैं. I'll speak in English, then they can also understand. Because आपको तो टाइम ओवर हो गया है, इनका भी आगे फ्यूचर है. तो we do puja and we do it mechanically. We light the lamp, we do this, we do that. How many of you understood what uncle or whatever, Pandit ji or Dr. Raj, whatever he said? Did you understand anything?
A bit.
What did you understand? Tell me which part you understood. Wait a minute, man. Ladies first, okay? Tell. Okay, girls first, not ladies. Ladies are there. Tell. What did you understand? Quickly, one thing. Okay, no problems. Did you understand that you are getting some water because you are thirsty, so you had to drink it? No, you didn't drink water.
I did.
You did 3 times. So it was good, no? It was so hot and you got water to drink without asking. See? Did you do the आरती? The lamp? Did you do the lamp? Lamp हुआ क्या नहीं? हो गया. हाँ. This is exactly the point. If children ask the parents, Mummy, what are you doing? Why are you taking the lamp around? What is Ramayana? And Mummy looks at her. ऐसा कैसे? What type of question you are asking me? She's called, get away from here, stupid fellow. Asking me, what is Ramayana? Huh? Because you know why? Because they themselves don't know it. They themselves don't know why they are doing the puja. They themselves don't know why they are lighting the lamp. They themselves don't know. I'm not saying every one of you, some of you, or maybe some others. You are all enlightened people, so maybe you know. See? So sometimes we do mechanically, but what does the Lord Ram stand for? मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ सबसे कि रामचंद्र जी का आदर्श क्या है? क्या है रामचंद्र जी का आदर्श? Tell me some qualities. इन्होंने बोला प्यार, love. What else? What does Rama stand for? Maryada Purushottam. Maryada means he is a principled fellow. He is the best brother, he is the best son, he is the best husband, he is the best friend, he is the best fighter, he is the best enemy. He is best in everything. Okay, what else? What other quality? What does Lord Ram stand for? What are his qualities? Sat Vachan. Pran jaye par vachan na jaye. You have heard it, adults have heard it, that if the word has been given, if he has given the word to Sugriv that I will come and kill Bali, even if it is wrong, he does kill Bali, isn't it, from behind?
Yeah.
You know the story? Yeah, good. Why? He knows it. Why you're laughing? See? Pran jai par vachana na jai. He is a man of his word. How many times you say, yeah, I promise, and next moment, did I promise? I didn't promise. We all do it, no? Sometimes? Not sometimes, many times. See? But Ramchandra ji is not there. So if we are doing the puja, yes, come, you sit here, come. If we are doing the puja, what should happen? If I am giving pravachan on Ram, if you are doing the puja of Ram, if you are chanting Ram, 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 the japa you are doing of Ram, then should the qualities of Ram at least a trickle, should they not express through you in your daily life? पर अपना क्या काम है? मुंह में राम नाम, बगल में मैं नहीं बोल रहा, आप बोल रहे हो. ठीक है. पूजा, यहाँ पे पूजा करते हैं और वहाँ पे दारू पीते हैं. यहाँ पे पूजा करते हैं, वहाँ पे मीट खाते हैं. यहाँ पे पूजा करते हैं, वहाँ पे गैम्बलिंग करते हैं. यहाँ पे पूजा करते हैं, वहाँ पे उल्टी सीधी बातें करते हैं, बैक बाइटिंग करते हैं. यू अंडरस्टैंड? बैक बाइटिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? गॉसिप, talking bad behind someone else's back. Are these the qualities of Ram? No. Are we all guilty of it? Yes. So if we have truly... Hello. Hey, wait, careful. She's getting excited. I'm getting friendly to her. So if we have thought about Lord Ram during puja, during japa, during pravachan, during Ramayana, and little bit feeling, we have faith, we have love for him, we cry out for him, our performance in our daily life will change. Today, what you people, who is the latest singer that you sing about? Any songs you sing?
Yeah.
Which one?
Govinda J.
अबे यार वो तो मुझे भी पता है यार. That is not a song, that is a bhajan. I asked song. You know, when I was your age, not your age, I never heard English songs when I was your age. I was about 20. Huh? Who? Dua Lipa. He's a singer? She is a singer. Okay. See, I don't even know about it. So, many of you have heard of Michael Jackson?
Yes,
He's the best. Did you listen? Did you ever say Ramchandra ji is the best? You said Michael Jackson is the best. Why? Moonwalk. He can move his body. Ramchandra ji could move much more flexible than him. Did he have any positive quality? No. So who is the one whom we are looking up to in our life? Michael Jackson. Who did all the wrong things if you read about him. Is that our ideal? Do we want to become like him? A druggie? A druggie? Or do we want to become like Ram, who is with his father, he's the best son. With his mother, he's the best son. With his brothers, he's the best brother. With his friends, he's the best friend. Whatever job is given to him, he does it. He tries to do it perfectly. Do you get up perfectly in the morning? Do you? I'll tell you, I'll find out from you. Wait. When mummy comes and says that it is time for you to go to school, do you get out of the bed the moment alarm goes or mummy comes and calls you?
No.
So alarm goes, you put it off, mummy comes, you keep sleeping, mummy comes second time, you are still like a snake, you are going on in the bed, little bit more sleep, And in the end, mummy says, you come on. And then now you know, I have crossed all the limits, now you jump out. In life, we have to be living with inspiration. When we look at all these things, when we do puja, when we do japa, when we come to satsang like this in this congregation, if you had gone back after the puja, what would you have learnt? You don't understand any steps. You don't understand because you couldn't repeat it to me. What did you learn from puja? What you will learn is not from puja. What you will learn is from having love in Ram. What you will learn is when you look up to Michael Jackson, when you look up to your mentor, then you learn those qualities of that person. You have been looking at your dad from the time you were born, right? Yeah. Now, dad and mom. Now, knowingly or unknowingly, some qualities of your daddy and mummy are expressing through you, whether you like it or not, because you are continuously with them. So the first lesson for today, what is that? Be very careful of the company you keep in life. And this is shown in Ramayana. I'm only going to take some lessons from Ramayana. I'm not going to tell you the whole Ramayana. So what is the first lesson? It is important for the company that you choose the right company. If you choose the company of Michael Jackson, you will start getting those negative qualities. If you remain in the company of a person who is always bickering and fighting and scratching and screaming, you may not be like that, but you stay for some time, you will also start behaving like that. If you stay with a gambler, you will also start gambling. Same problem our Kaikai had. You know Kaikai? Kaikai was how Ramayana is the story of Ramchandra ji. And Ramchandra ji, Lord Ram, was the son of Kaushalya, very good. And daddy was Dasharath. See? And both of them had 4 kids. But not both of them, actually he had 3 wives. How many of you know how many wives Dasharath Maharaj had? Wrong.
300.
Wrong. Someone else? No.
5?
No. 340. 340 wives. Why? We can't handle one. We can't handle one. I saw my dad can't handle my mom, so I took sannyas. Don't tell that to my mom. Big problem. So he had 340 wives. Why? Was he a womanizer? No. He was not a womanizer. Then why did he marry 340 ladies or girls? No, that is one thing that will come afterwards. He got married to 340 because before Ramchandra ji was born, which avatar was there? Before Ram avatar? I'll tell you. Before Kalki is going to come, at this moment, the last one was Buddha. Before Buddha was Sri Krishna. Before Krishna was Ram. And before Ram was Parshuram. Very good. Who said that? Very good. Parshuram. What was the job of Parshuram? He killed the warrior class 21 times all over the earth. And the father of Ram, was he a Kshatriya? Was he a warrior? Yes. And Parshuram is the Lord himself who has come down as Parshuram. So, but Parshuram had taken one vow that if anyone is getting married, I will spare him. So every time he heard Parshuram is coming, he used to get married to one. When Parshuram came, he is taking the feras. He's going around the fire. So Parshuram used to bypass Ayodhya. And this is how, our Dasharath Maharaj ended up with 340 wives. Now, he had three main ones. Kausalya, Kekai was the youngest one, and the second was Sumitra. From Kausalya he had Sri Ram. From Sumitra he had Lakshman and Shatrughna. And from Kekai he had Bharat. Right? Now you don't know all this, you should know. You get interested. Because if you are, why should I think about a man? Ramchandraji is a man. Okay, think about Sita. She is equally powerful as Ram. You know that? At your home, who's powerful? Dad or mom?
I have no idea.
You are being diplomatic. Don't look around. Dad or mom? Mom? सत्संग में सारी पोल खुल जाती है. Anyway, so these four were there, and Kekai, she was, the country where she came from is today also it's a big problem. Which country? She came from Afghanistan, Gandhar. It has always been in trouble. Ghazni came, and Shakuni came in Mahabharata from there, and in Ramayana our Kekai came from there. And when she came, she had a maid. Here it is not seen, but even when we were in India, we had a servant at home who was, for all our childhood till we came to Australia, he was living with us like a family member. So this lady, this maid, her name was Manthara. Have you heard of Manthara? Okay, kids have not. But she was a servant. She was not of the royal blood. She was not having any power. All she had to do was, when the baby is crying, change the nappy. Because when she was a baby, from that time she has been with her. And she got attached to her. And when she got married to King Dasharath, she said, I also want to go and take care of my baby. She still considered her a baby. And she said, she cannot live without me. So she said, okay. And this Manthara, she was a Kubar. Kubar means she had a hunchback. And when she came, because from childhood Kekai had known her. From childhood Kekai had known. But Kekai is from the royal blood. She knows. She has gone to the school. She knows what is right and what is wrong, what to speak where, what to not speak there, how to behave in a court, how to behave in front of kings, how to behave in front of other people, in front of elders. Do you know that? You know? I hope. Yes or no?
Yes.
You're looking blank, man. You're listening or you're in meditation? Listening. Good. So what happened was this. See, if someone is very close to you, don't you tell your secrets to that person? Isn't it? You don't?
Depends who it is.
But someone who is very close, who is very dear to you, you will share your secrets, no? Sometimes. Only one is enough to create a problem. So, Kekai, Ramchandraji's stepmother. Since childhood, she was taken care of by Manthara. And one day happened that King Dasharath announced, tomorrow morning Ramchandraji is going to become the crown prince of Ayodhya. And the whole Ayodhya is the kingdom where Ramchandraji used to live. Ayodhya means what? Where there is no war. Where there is no war. That is Ayodhya. And there, Ramchandraji, everyone hears and everyone loves Ramchandraji. And They are so happy that we are going to get the soul of our heart, the one whom we are in love with. They were in love with all the brothers, the four brothers. But Ramchandra ji especially. Just like we have our own favorites in life. Huh? So today my favorite is Samruddhi. At the back. See, she said, she heard. Huh? So, the whole Ayodhya was decorating, and they had lights outside the house. They put fresh plants. They put scented water on the roads, and there was a festive atmosphere. And people are singing and dancing. And Manthara thought, what is happening in Ayodhya that everyone is so happy? So she went out on the balcony and climbed up the top of her palace, Kaikeyi's palace. And when she saw, oh my God, the entire Ayodhya is dancing and singing and enjoying themselves. And she asked, hey, come here, what is happening? Oh, you don't know, Manthara? Tomorrow Ramchandra ji is going to be crowned as the prince of Ayodhya. Oh, the moment she heard that he is going to be crowned as the prince of Ayodhya, she ran. How will a hunchback run? Huh? And she ran. She came to Kaikeyi. Kaikeyi, do you know what is happening? She says, everything is fine. What is wrong? She says, the whole Ayodhya is celebrating, and tomorrow Ram is going to be anointed as the crown prince. Oh, Kaikeyi immediately got up, because Ramchandra ji loved Kaikeyi more than his mother. Not in that sense, but he respected. He loved all of them equally. Every morning after shower, he used to first touch the feet of his father, then he will touch the feet of Kaikeyi, then of Sumitra, and then go to his mother. Because it is his mother only, because he was born from her womb. But showing the respect. And Kaikeyi loved him more than her own son. Who was the son of Kaikeyi? Bharat. So, the moment Manthara said that he is going to be crowned as the prince, Kaikeyi got up, jumped from wherever she was sitting, and she started singing the glory of Ram. Oh, I'm so happy. You have given me the best test of news today. And immediately a precious stone studded gold necklace, she took it out and gave it to Manthara. She says, here, this is your present. Today is a very auspicious day that you gave me such an auspicious news. But Manthara had some sinister plans. Because she was so close to Kaikeyi from her childhood, and Kaikeyi used to tell her, you should never tell your secrets to every damn person that comes in your life. Only whom you trust. But never you should tell a person who is crooked by nature. Crooked not by body, by nature also. Who is always backbiting everyone, the one who is always talking bad about everyone else, the one who is always, the face is always crying, never laughing. That was this Manthara. Are you like that in the morning?
No.
Good, two of them are not, others are. What about adults? I'm only looking at kids. What about the adults? Are you grumpy in the morning? Mondayitis? And you are happy on Friday evening? Thank God it is Friday. You fall in the same category. See? Oh, again it is Monday. Now I got to work for 5 days. Now I have to go for... Children don't say that. They said, thank God weekend is over. I want to go to school. Were you happy to go to school after 1 year at home? Yeah. Me too. This is my school. Temple is my school. See? So, Kaikeyi, she is happy. Manthara, she is disgusted with the news. And she says, Kaikeyi, why you are happy? your son will not become the crown prince, only Ramchandraji will become the crown prince, and you are happy. Then she says, no, no, Ramchandraji is the most ideal person. And she kept saying that, but Manthara kept on telling her that Bharat must become the king, crown prince, Bharat must become. When Kaikeyi did not listen, she said, after some time, when Ramchandraji becomes the king, he will put Bharat in the prison because there is competition from him. Then afterwards, he will throw you out of the kingdom. He will tell you to go back to Gandhar. Then he might even kill Bharat. When he said like this, suddenly, because she has been with Manthara from her childhood, whatever, she's an elderly lady, no? Does it mean that every elderly lady only speaks the truth? Who is laughing? All elderly ladies are laughing. I didn't mean you all. So because she was, and when she kept talking like this again and again to Kaikeyi, a doubt came in the mind of Kaikeyi that what if Manthara is saying is true? What if Ramchandraji becomes the next king? Then I am thrown out of this palace and I am told to go back or my son is killed. Oh my God! She said, Manthara, what should I do? She became anxious. She started panicking. Manthara said, you know, when there was a Devasur Sangram, you understand? नहीं, कुछ लोगों को पता होगा. When the gods were having war with the Asuras, that time they were getting defeated, and they asked Dasharath, King Dasharath, to come and help them. Who is Dasharath? Dasharath means the 10 organs. He who has his 10 organs in control. What are the 10 organs? You know, seeing, hearing, tasting, smelling and touching. Seeing, hearing, touching, feeling, tasting and smelling. 5. These are 5. What about other 5? The other 5 are karmendriya, speech, hands, legs, anus and genitals. From where you do susu and where you do poo-poo. Okay. Why? If you didn't have that, you will be in big trouble, man. Thank God they are there. Okay. So with these 10, Dasharath Maharaj had control over. And the gods, they don't have control over all these. They are with Apsaras, they are whatever they wish, immediately it appears. So they called Dasharath. And while he was fighting the war, guess who was the charioteer? Like Arjuna had the charioteer as Krishna. Who was the charioteer of Dasharath Maharaj? This Kaikeyi was. She was a great warrior and she was a great charioteer. And she could very deftly move the chariot, and the war was won by the gods with the help of King Dasharath. And when that was won, King Dasharath, there on the battlefield itself, he said, Kaikeyi, thank God you are my charioteer. You have saved my life. Otherwise I would be dead many times. And I want to give you something. She says, no, Lord, you are my everything. I don't want anything from you. Wife does not ask anything from husband. Wife does not ask anything from husband. Second lesson. This is not for kids. For you all. Wife should not ask anything from husband. Then what it should do? What should wife do? Huh? Bolo, all of your wives and all of your husbands. Bolo.
I'll ask at the right time.
Huh?
I'll ask for the right time.
Oh. So what should wife do? He is his life. He is his life. She's seeing God. Pati Devo Bhava, isn't it? Patni Devo Bhava. So another, when we are to talk about the wife, we'll tell another story. But here, Pati Devo Bhava. She saw God in him. She saw God. She said, I don't want anything. But Dasharath Maharaj was feeling so indebted. He felt so, grateful for her service, for how she took care of him, that he says, no, I want to give you. You don't want it, I want to give it. This is what sometimes we also do the mistake. We overcommit ourselves in life, isn't it? You come with me sometimes to Bhiksha. Swamiji, Kali, Swamiji, 2 idlis. I said, okay, 2 idlis. No more, huh? Swamiji, I made, first time I tried, and you have to try one more. So, while I was eating, looking here and playing with the baby, put 2 more into my plate. जबरदस्ती. अब मेरे को, मैं छोड़ता तो नहीं प्लेट पे, फिर वो खा लिया. इससे पहले कि मैंने ख़त्म किया, she put rice also. And my diet is only 1 chapati and a little bit of rice. Now I had 4 idlis and rice, and after that गाजर का हलवा, उसके बाद पता नहीं फिर क्या मसाला चाय. Oh my God. This is too much outpouring of love. Dasharath Maharaj was also in the same condition. ज़्यादा लव हो जाए तो क्या होगा? एक बार हो गया ठीक है, अगली बार क्या किया तो उसको डांट पड़ जाएगी मेरे से. But Dasharath Maharaj was not like this. He said, no, you don't want it, I want to give it. He says, I'll give you 2 boons and you can ask them anytime you ask them now. She says, no, I don't want anything. I'm absolutely content. I don't want anything, and that is the best way to live in life. Never want anything. And she never encashed those 2 boons from Dasharath Maharaj. But today, and then Dasharath Maharaj said, okay, I have given it to you, you can ask whatever you want, whenever you want. And she told this secret, which was between husband and wife. Why this information should go to a third person. But she told this information to Manthara. Why can't husband and wife sort things out between themselves? Why you have to go to a counselor?
Ladies can't keep secret.
Aye?
Ladies can't keep secret.
That is very typical male answer. We are coming from Ramayana. We have to learn the ideals. This is where we make the mistake. Ramchandra ji and Sita ji. Sita ji never did this mistake. So who is the ideal? If you want to take the ladies as ideal, we have to take Sita ji as ideal. Then Anusuya as ideal. You know Anusuya? Atri and Anusuya. You have to take Vashishta Arundhati, the sage Vashishta's wife. You have to take her as ideal. These are perfected women. When we keep these ideals in front of us, then something, little bit of it will percolate in our life and it will start expressing. Huh? So she had told, and now Manthara gets the chance. She is remembering how I can become the top Dasi in the entire palace of Ayodhya. She wants to be the best because she is close to Kaikeyi. If Kaikeyi's son Bharat becomes the king, she is the top Dasi. All other Dasis will be under her thumb. That is her motivation. And she says, Kaikeyi, there is a way. And what is the way? You ask the king for 2 boons tonight when he comes back from the palace. She says, what should I ask? Now see, she is a Dasi, uneducated, not integrated, not Satyavachan. Whereas the Kaikeyi is very well educated. But she asks her, a Dasi, tell me what should I ask the king? And what will a Dasi say? She says, ask. The first boon is you ask your son Bharat to become the king, and you ask the second boon that Ramchandra ji should go to the forest for 14 years. So we'll stop that story there. Why? The lesson is if we have bad company in our life, we will make bad decisions and we will have bad conclusions. What happened eventually? Dashrath ji Maharaj, when Ramchandra ji went away, Dashrath ji died, and all the three wives of Dashrath, or all the 340 wives of Dashrath, they all became widows, isn't it? This is the first lesson. Be very, very careful of what friends you make. Keep only those friends who always motivate you to be more than who you are, who bring out the best in you, who are ready to challenge you to be a good person. Are you listening? Listen. Don't disturb him. He is listening. Otherwise, you can close your eyes and go to sleep. Okay? Let him listen. So, be very careful of what company keeps. Second lesson, Ramchandra ji. Now, who is Ramchandra ji? You know who he is, right? Oh, he is there in this. That statue there is Ram. No, Ramchandra ji is the throb in your heart. Ramchandra ji is the life in you. He is Ram. He is also that. He is also everything. But where you will find him closest? In your heart, in your breath, in your life. That is Ram. And we are going straight away. We are going to move to the next scene in Ramayana, and that is Ramchandra ji's, when he was told in front of the court by sage Vashishta and Dasharath Maharaj, his father. Who is sage Vashishta? His teacher. They are told, Ram, tomorrow we are going to make you the crown prince. What did Ramchandra ji say? You know what Ramchandra ji said? Why don't you make my brother Bharat as the king? He is a better person to run the kingdom. What is it? Humility. He didn't want the kingdom. He didn't want to be the king. And very next moment, 7-8 hours later, he goes to Dashrath Maharaj, and Kaikeyi tells him, because Dashrath Maharaj is not able to tell the Ram Chandraji that you have to go to the forest. He can't say those words. So he asks his mother Kaikeyi, mother, why dad is like this? Why is he crying? Why is he not able to speak? Why is he shivering? Why is he swooning? She says, oh, because he gave me 2 boons. What were the 2 boons? She said, first is that Bharat should become the king. He says, I also told my dad the same thing, that Bharat should become the king. But he didn't listen to me. He told that you become the king. Okay, whatever dad says, I have to do. He's the ideal son. And so what is the second boon? She says, oh, I want you to wear these type of clothes and go to forest for 14 years. If someone tells you tomorrow that you got a very nice dress, can you give it away to the other girl? No. See, but Ramchandra ji, without a flinch, without any reaction, immediately went, changed into these clothes, and he was ready to walk away. Meaning what? Sukha dukkha same kritva labha labho jaya jayo tato yuddhaya yuddhyasva. When in life, are you always happy? No. Are you always crying? No. Are you always hungry? No. Are you always full? No. Are you always sleeping? No. Are you always awake? No. What, you are always awake? If I continue for another half an hour, you will go to sleep. Huh? So nothing is permanent, isn't it? Everything is changing. Your eyes, whatever you are seeing, you see, then you blink, you can't see anything, again you open, again you see. Same thing hearing. Sometimes when your attention is to me, you can hear what I am saying. Other times you are mucking around. It's okay. See, sometimes we are awake, sometimes we are dreaming, sometimes we are sleeping. So everything is changing. Everything is changing. But Ramchandra ji, one moment, fantastic news, he is going to become the crown prince. He did not get excited. 6 hours later, he got the worst news. Now you go away to forest for 14 years. He did not become.
The crown prince.
Huh?
The crown prince.
No, he did not become the crown prince. When he was given the news of being the crown prince, he did not become excited. He did not become elated. And when he got the news that you are not going to become the crown prince, he did not become sad. He did not become, today's language, depressed. पहले तुमने मेरे को दे दिया, अब मेरे को नहीं दिया. Imagine you grow up, or no teenager or youth here. Okay, then when you grow up and you come, hey darling, I am in love with you. Someone tells you, whoever, boy or a girl, or for a girl a boy, for a boy a girl, and she says, and the boy says, I want to marry you. And he is waiting. Oh, at last I said it, what was in my heart. Darling, I cannot live without you. I want to marry you. And she says, give me 10 hours. I'll go home and I'll tell my dad and I'll come back. I'm sure he will say yes. No, sorry, I go. And she comes back. Give me some time to think. Girls are like that. Give me some time to think. And next day she says, whole night this fellow has not slept. Ramchandra ji also did not sleep. Not out of excitement, but because of all the preparation. So, if he has said to a girl that I want to be married to you, I got a ring, whole night he is waiting for the answer. He wants quickly the night to be over. Or still 7 hours left. Still 6 hours left. He can't sleep. If you got a flight at 5 o'clock in the morning, you can't go to sleep at night. Isn't it? Imagine one flight. This is whole life flight. And next morning, he quickly takes shower, sent here, sent there, sent here, everywhere, and goes in front of the girl. And the girl says, I don't think we gel together. There's no chemistry. Puss. The boy becomes Devdas. He becomes, what's the point of living life now? One person I loved, that person said, I don't love you. There's no purpose in life. Hota hai na? You have seen it in movies? If not in your... Who has gone through this live experience? Nobody will say. But we all have gone through some time or the other. I watch these kids. One day they are friends, next day they are enemies. I don't want to talk to you. Talk to the wall. And next day you say, hey, why you are fighting? No, I don't want to talk to that. And you pick up a fight with the parents, and after these two parents, again next day they are friends and the parents are in fight with each other. Hota hai na? But Ramchandra ji is not like this. Neither he got excited, neither he became sad. So how do we live our life on a daily basis? Go through the experiences of life without too much oscillation. What do we want? Majority of us, all people who are sitting here, what do you want? Oh, I want to, make it, and then I will then I will become spiritual. When I am retired, then I'll take the name of the Lord. When I am retired, then I will go for pilgrimage. Do you know that you are going to retire or you are going to die tomorrow? Who has the guarantee? Nobody has guarantee. Nobody has guarantee. But we think that we are going to do it one day. Ramchandra ji, no procrastination. One moment, yes, he accepted the decision of his father. Here, his father didn't even say to him that you go to the forest. The stepmother said, And the stepmother said that because father had given me the boons, the Ramchandraji took her word and to keep the word of his father, because what was the pratha? Prana jai par vachana na jai. And he upheld the word of his father. This is the ideal, this is the maryada that Ramchandraji exhibits in his life. That no incident in his life can ever shake him. So get these 2 points. What was the first point? What was the first point? Lesson. Only 2 lessons I given you. Forgotten? Yes, beta.
Have good
Have good
company.
company. Be very, very choosy. Be very choosy whom you make a friend. And when you make a friend, keep him as a friend for the rest of your life. And who should be a friend? Who inspires you, who motivates you, who challenges you, who brings out the best in you, who is truthful to you, who is straightforward. And what he should not lie to you, he should not manipulate you, he should not motivate you to do wrong things in life. He should not motivate you to tell lies. So be very careful. And what is the second one?
Obey your parents.
Children.
Listen to your parents.
That uncle tell. I didn't say listen to your parents. Tell.
Ramchandraji is everything.
Ramchandraji is everything. What was the second lesson? The second lesson was be like Ram, that whatever life presents you, whatever life comes. Now what is going to come? Some prasad, isn't it?
Yes.
Suppose someone comes and they don't give you the prasad and bypass you. I did not get. Why did they forget me? I listened to the whole satsang. I did the puja also. Then why did I not get? And then you get all the prasad. Oh, I don't want this. I don't want that. I don't want this. I don't want that. What do you want? I want only this one. Can I have more of that? Not like that. Ramchandraji is whatever life gives you, you take it with a balanced mind. Don't get too excited and don't get too low. You can never be always successful and you can never be always a failure in life. Life is always ups and downs. When do you get a straight line? You know when you get a straight line? Doctors? In the hospital, when they see a straight line on the monitor, you know the person is dead. See, they also know. So, life, your living means what? There will be ups and downs. But ups and downs are in life. You remain undisturbed because of the ups and downs. बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतान की जय. हरिओम. कर लो अपना आरती कीर्तन.